Struggling to format your book for self-publishing? Are you tired of old tools and confusing layouts? So in today's video, I will show you how to use the Reedsy editor. This editor is a free, easy, and user-friendly that makes book formatting feel effortless. So whether you are publishing an ebook or a print version, this tool gives you professional results without stress. No more worrying about margin space. No. With this, you can focus on what matters most, which is your writing. So why the editor take care of the rest. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to format your manuscript like a pro, even if it is your first book. So let's dive in.
So now we're in Reedsy, and it's very straightforward. The first thing we need to do is to sign up. So I've already signed up. This is my name. So it's very easy. Less than a minute, you sign up. So you can see now we go here. You click on book. When you click on book, it will take you to this place. Then you open the shelf. So now we're in the shelf now. You come down here, it will ask you create a book or import a book. Welcome, Jefta. Your story starts here. Create or import a book to begin writing. So you can import, you can create. So here we want to import because I've already, done some job in I formatted it with Google Doc. So and I just want to show you how you can do everything here. Yeah, but you can also, create a Google Doc because you need the format, the doc format, to share to others. So here we click here. We say, digital dollar. This is optional. You want to put the subtitle, or we click here. This is digital dollar document. We say import. So we allow it to download. It has downloaded. So from here, the next thing we need to do, we click here on manage. So we're now, the setting. So this is the setting here. You go here, title. We've already have our title. If we want, we'll put the subtitle, turn your passion into income. Then if you want notification, to remind you of your goals and so you can put this one, put it on. And if you don't want this, you can put it on archive, you can delete it permanently. Yeah, it's all depend on what you want. So here we go to save. Now we've saved our book. So we will continue up here. It say continue writing. Now here, you see we'll have here you have copyright. So you can fill your copyright. You go here, you put your dedication. You can go to ChatGTP to help you. You write it. You see. Then you come here. Yeah, you put this, you go to table of contents. Already we have, remember when we were doing this in a Google Doc, um, Google Doc, we we use H2. So, but it depends on what you're looking for. You can click here. Um, you can use one H1, can use H3. Depends on your preference. So here we go forward. The same thing. If you don't know what to write, you can go to um, you can go to ChatGPT to help you. Then you edit it. Then you can come here, preference, acknowledgement. So this will help your book to look like a professional, book. Um, Here you can go down further. Good. So already we have our chapters. We have we have our chapters. We have a table of contents. So here we're not going to, because already, you remember, we have already done this in the Google Doc. So we're just here to show you that yes, you can as well use this to, format your book. So we can delete this. We can come here. We can go here. Okay, this table of contents. We have our table of contents. This is our chapters. Yeah, so you can as well put the back matter like we did for the front matter. So we can as well do this. So um, this is the table of contents, and this is the body of the body of the book. So here, let's quickly talk about when you are done. You can add, you can do whatever you want to do here, and this is not well. This is just for the purpose of this lesson or training. We are not. This is not a full book. Now you can. Let's look at the right hand side of this table here. We have so many features that you can use. You can play around with these features. Here's the goals and insights. You can put a goal. No, if you're writing a page, to track what you're doing, you can pin your notes. Here it says track changes and comments, and write timeline. You can give yourself time, when you want to finish your book. Find and replace, spell check. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Here you can insert image. You can split chapters. You can delete chapters here. Then you want to export. So here, now that we are done, let's export our book. So we're ready to now. If you look at here, you will see that we have the print on demand, PDF. We have the ebook version, draw caps, high chapter numbers and all that. Yeah. So here, and we have here we have some options here too. For instance, my ebook, it depends on the size here. We have 5 by 8 inches. So it depends on the cover page of your ebook. So you can choose what you want the size. Okay, this one. Yeah. So here we have classic. Let's see how it looks here. Classic. Okay. Here we have a classic, we have, you know, the romance. So I think we'll go with classic. It's easy to read. Yeah, so we're going to use classic, and then um, let's choose this. Yes, let's choose this, and then we can say can export. That's good, and close. So let's see. Okay, so this it has downloaded. The EPUB has downloaded. Let's go back and download the print on demand, the PDF version. We'll click here. We go to classic. It's on classic. Then we say export. Yeah, so it takes some time to download. So here we can download this, and yes, and also get this one downloaded. But that's basically it. So to you can go to your file and then upload and view it. You can edit if what you see you don't like it, then you can go back and reformat it, and that is basically the way you can do it. It's very simple. It's very easy. You can play around it.
Thank you so much for watching. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a new upload and watch for the next video. And if you are ready to start making money with your skill, check out the links in the description below for free tools and resources to help you get started. So until next time, I will always say, keep creating, keep learning, and keep building your dream life one step at a time. See you in the next video. Bye.